Meguiar's Ultimate Iron Remover is not a complete replacement for a traditional clay bar, but rather a complementary tool that removes above and below surface iron-based contamination with minimal effort. Clay bars work by removing above surface bonded contaminants of all types, but sometimes stop short of being able to remove deeply embedded iron particles below the surface. Ultimate Iron Remover effectively reaches these below surface contaminants and safely removes them. Ultimate Iron Remover is also the best first step when attempting to unclog or refresh a ceramic coating without risking marring or swirls with the use of a clay bar. Keep in mind a traditional clay bar may likely be needed to remove other contaminants such as bonded road grime, tree sap mist, paint overspray, or any other non-ferrous particles prior to using your favorite compound or polish, or before applying a wax, sealant, or coating. The key to choosing and selecting the right one is to simply evaluate the surface and determine the proper steps needed to achieve the results you desire.